Hey guys, so today I'll be cleaning up some parts for my 240Z. So I have a 240Z that is in my uncle's shop for a couple years now. It's been in there for some body work and paint. I'll try to throw in some pictures in right now. I'll let you guys know more about the 240Z in a different video. But today's video, I have these window regulators that I need to try to clean up. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. But I don't have a parts cleaner. But I'm gonna do the best I can using what I have at home, which is a wire brush, some degreaser, and just some elbow grease, and just try to clean it up as much as I can, because I want to get these it's been in the car for years, right? I don't know, 40-50 years. So I'm not gonna clean it up perfectly, but I'm gonna clean it up the best I can. And the main thing is I want to try to just put some oil in the channels right here and make it smooth. So you can see in these wheels, and these gears, and just clean it up real quick, and hopefully the windows can be a lot smooth when I put it back in. Dude, it's been so long since I've taken these out. Hopefully I remember how to put it back in. These are the emblems. These are the original emblems. I'm gonna try to clean these up too. This is the mirrors. Just like steel wool, but you gotta make sure it's like the 4 zeros. And what I like to do is just using some water and some water and just scrubbing it, and then using a microfiber towel and just wiping it down, and then hopefully it cleans it up, instead of bringing it to a chrome shop. So these are a little more difficult. Like, you could use the wool on trim, but I'll show you that a little bit later. So I'm not sure if I want to get reproductions emblems. These are the metal ones. See, these are metals. So I'm gonna try to clean it, but I'm not too sure I'm gonna try to clean it, but I'm not too sure if it could clean out. Maybe these have to be re-chrome, or I haven't decided yet. Maybe just get reproduction emblem and just keep these on the side. So I clean these the best I can. It'd be so much easier if I had a parts cleaner, but I don't. But the most important thing is just to have the inside of these channel clean. And then what I did was I had some lube. What I did was I had some lube, like oil lube, and then just put it in between these channels, and then and yeah, that's about it. Pretty simple, straightforward. I did the same with these. Just put some oil right here, and with these. So yeah, these wheels, I think they have like rebuild kits, like new washers and stuff. I think I might get those. These washers are it's pretty dunzo. So not the cleanest job, but what matters is we want to lube up these wheels, like these gears right here. So that's what I did already. you know. So these right here, I'm probably gonna put some more in between here. Maybe just clean up a little bit more and clean it. But where's my towel? But just rotating it. Already. It's a little bit smoother. So, but yeah. But these are the chrome trim. This is for the door, the bottom door. These actually came out pretty good. I used the steel wool, and it actually came out pretty good. So again, what I use is, I'll show you guys. So use steel wool. You want to make sure it's the 4 zeros, and then all you gotta do is just take some water and just clean it like that. Just clean it, and then you want to use some type of chrome cleaner. I have for this. So then you take your microfiber towel, just take a little bit and just put it on. Just clean it. So yeah. So I'm doing it with one hand right now, so it's kind of hard, but you get the idea. So I did that with all the chrome trim. This is for the front windows. This is for the front window, not the front window, the front windshield. You want to be careful when you take these out, and you don't want to bend them or step on them, because you want to make it easier for yourself when you reinstall. I already kind of bent one of it already by accident. I forgot which one, but hopefully it's not too bad. But yeah, these came out pretty good. I just used some elbow grease and save some money. Came out. Look how clean it is. So yeah. So these are the taillights. I haven't got to them yet. Besides just removing the cover. I'm just gonna sand this down. Probably waiting for some parts some red paint, and probably clear it up again. How I took this out was there's a lot of people have these on YouTube where they show you how to remove it by using heat guns. You could use a heat gun. What I did was easier for me was I just left it in my kitchen sink with hot water, let it sit there for a really long time, and slowly just pull this out, and then it's because it's just glue. I used a heat gun before on my last 240Z, but you gotta be careful when you use the heat gun. When the heat gun is on an area that for a long time, you want to be careful not to put your finger there, because you can leave a print of your finger onto the plastic. So that's what happened to me before. Like when I was heating it up, and when I'm about to pull it, my fingerprint, it was still hot where I left a fingerprint right here. So yeah. So I haven't got to this yet. I already have the chrome piece, the new chrome piece. I'm just waiting to get some the fasteners for here. Some fasteners, and then I'm gonna just clean it up, and then I'll show you guys that next time. So yeah. So these are the headlight buckets. These are the 240Z headlight buckets. I just sand this down, and I just primer the outside again. So this is where the headlight goes. This is where the headlight goes, and then the chrome. I have new chrome rings, headlight rings, that goes around here. So probably just gonna clean this up, and then and yeah. But dusty right now because it's been sitting for a good minute. But it's still in good condition, and it's been restored. So I also restored the gas tank. I don't want to take it out, but it's right here at the same place. So yeah. So this gas tank is actually restored. It's the original gas tank. They hot tanked it, sealed it, and pressure tested it. So everything is good. The inside of the gas tank was pretty bad. It was like all these build up. So yeah. So it's just been sitting here waiting to be reinstalled. As for the license plate holder, and the license plate holder and the taillight holder, I usually see people like use matte black, but in this case I used I think the original is gray, but when I was googling the color for these, it was actually it's actually gray metallic. So this is what I used. So it came out pretty good. I just taped up these there's like a chrome trim right here. So I taped it up and then just spray. So it came out pretty good. Maybe I do like another layer. But yeah, I think the original 240Zs, this is the correct color, which is gray. As for the front grille, I just use gloss black, satin black. So before doing it, I just sand it down, and I just spray. It was like a gloss black, so that's what I used. So yeah. Probably gonna spray the back, and cause this was pretty bad. Like there was like a bunch of like surface rust. Then just clean it, and then everything should be okay. So got some final details that I need to finish up. Just waiting for the spray paint, so I can spray the paint again and gloss it, put back the chrome trim. The window regulators, I think I'm gonna try a little bit harder, a little bit more on just cleaning it up and looping the wheels and the gears. I want to make sure those are smooth before reinstalling in the 240Z. Yeah, just wanna make this video just to show you guys the what I've been doing. Have been posting up, but I'll try to give you guys more updates if you guys like. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll try to get some new content out soon. Try to get these parts back into the car and get the ball rolling. Remember, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.